Hi, my name is Magda Sanz Cortes. I'm a maternal fetal medicine specialist and fetal surgeon, and I'm this year's ISUOG World Congress section editor on fetal intervention and multiple pregnancies. I would like to invite you to participate in this year's World Congress sessions that are covering these topics. Whether you're a sonographer, an obstetrician, a fetal medicine specialist, or a fetal surgeon, I'm sure that you're going to enjoy these lectures, you're going to gain significant knowledge, and you're going to be able to interact with the presenters. Mark your calendars for Friday the 16th of October. We're going to have a very interesting workshop called The Future of Fetal Surgery. We're going to be listening and learning what is the most updated level of evidence for in utero treatment of congenital diaphragmatic hernia, 22 transfusion syndrome stage 1. We're going to hear what does the animal model experiments tells us about the future for biomaterials, the application of robotics on the field of fetal surgery. We're also going to be watching a video on how to perform a laser photocoagulation for cases of selective fetal growth restriction, which are very technically challenging. And that same day, on Friday the 16th, we're going to be having a masterclass called Hot Topics in Fetal Surgery, in which we're going to be learning from world experts in the field as well on the past, present, and future of fetal surgery in a very comprehensive way.